do old people lose all their teeth? How can I prevent this for myself?
Okay. So, how do old people lose their teeth? Not necessarily old people lose their teeth. Anybody can lose their teeth.
Mhm.
I had a patient yesterday. He is a 16-year-old kid.
Mhm.
He was elbowed when he was playing basketball. So you remember that
I
patient,
remember.
right? So anybody can lose teeth at any age. So,
Mhm.
I have kids like at a they are. I have an employee and she used to feed the baby through bottle, and the baby lost the teeth at a very young age of like 6 or 7 years.
Mhm.
So when the permanent teeth came in, they had cavities in them, so she just lost them. So you can lose their teeth when you're age 6 or when you're 60.
Mhm.
Not necessarily you have to be old. Why do you lose teeth? You multiple reasons. You could be having cavities,
Mhm.
you could have gum disease, or you may be wearing a partial denture that's going to hurt your teeth, or you may not be seeing a dentist on a regular basis that caused some kind of a condition that made you lose your teeth, or you had some kind of an accident. So, multiple reasons you could be losing their teeth. So, how do you prevent it? So, the bottom line is you need to have some good oral hygiene habits, brushing, flossing, toothpicks. You get brushes that go in between your teeth. So multiple things, not just using them, but using them properly.
Mhm.
How do you do that? So you make sure that you go back and see your dentist on a regular basis.
Mhm.
When you go to your dentist, tell them this is what you're using and ask them whether you're following good oral hygiene habits, and they should be able to evaluate your mouth and tell you, well, these are things you're doing right. These are the areas that you need to improve on. They will be able to help you. And then your diet. A lot of people, they had some good brushing habits. They see the dentist on a regular basis, but they sip on the soda all the time.
Mhm.
They sip on their coffee with a bunch of sugar all the time. So that can do in your teeth also.
Mhm.
Or sometimes the genetics, no matter what you do. So you have some genetics which play a role. Don't blame it on the mom and dad. You do your homework and you do your work before you blame it on the mom and dad. So if you're following all the things that I'm talking about, you can definitely fight the genetics, but the genetics plays a big role also. So if you follow multiple things, and I have patients who are 80 years old, they still got teeth at 80 years old. And I have my dad, he's 75. He got complete set of teeth and he gets all the 32 teeth. So don't think that age is a bar for having good teeth. You can have teeth at age 8 or age 80. That is absolutely no problem at all.
All right.
Well, looks like the time is up, guys, and for those people who have been hanging with us for the last hour or so, we really appreciate your patience. Again, thank you for joining us live, and we are going to be, depending on the demand, we are going to be hosting this show on a regular basis. We are thinking about maybe even doing it every week. So, if you missed us this time, and if you're watching the recorded show, then join us live next time, and we are here to give you all the truth about your teeth. And any questions that you need answered in a future show like this, post us your question, and we are happy to answer that for you. And again, thank you, Reese, for
Mhm.
joining us, and we will give them more tips next time when we are on the live show again. Take care, guys. Until next time, bye.
See you later.